What's going on YouTube? In this video, as it says in the title, I'm going to be showing you how to change the low beam light bulb on your 335 IS.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, do a make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
Alright, so we're gonna be changing the left side right over here. As you can see, there's not much space down there. So what I'm going to do is, I've already got my jack set up over there. I'm gonna jack up that side, take off that wheel, and then I will take off the plastic cover that's under there. Right under there, you should be able to get to it from that area. So let's go ahead and jack this thing up and get to it. Alright, we got the car jacked up, wheel off. Inside here, you'll see a couple 8mm nuts and bolts. There's not really much space in here to show that, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull out all of these and get this plastic piece right here out, and then I'll show you the headlight area. Alright, we got the plastic cover taken out now. So now down here, this area right here, you'll see these T20s. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them going around this cover right here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull those and see if the light's right there. I'm pretty sure it is, but you know, you never know at BMWs. So let's get to that now. Alright, make sure to line up your headlight bulbs that you've got. Make sure it's the right one. Make sure you've got the correct one that's going in there. This one has a plastic rim instead of a metal rim. Can't really see it properly, it's not focusing, but it's a light bulb. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to slide this in without anything touching. There it is, it's in. Rotate it back into place. It's locked into place, and then I'll put the clip back in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this first before I put everything back and make sure this is what the problem was. So I'm not putting a $100 light bulb in and that wasn't the problem. So let me go ahead and test that now. Okay, there it is. Light bulb is working. That was the problem. We've got both on, so I'm gonna go ahead and button everything back up. Okay, the cover is back on, so now I'm gonna put the shielding that was in here back on. Like I said, not gonna film that. That's that area is just too tight or whatever. But after I put it back on, put the wheel back on, jack it down, and then I'm gonna make sure it works again. So let me go ahead and knock these out real quick. Okay, everything is back together, so I'm gonna go ahead and 1, 2, make sure the light's on. And it's still good. So that was the issue. Light bulb went out, got the light malfunction, so I knew that's what was wrong with it. We are good. It might be different colors, but I'll probably change that later. Alright everyone, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the shares. I greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, hit that share button. Hope this video helps somebody.